Hello students, in this video I am starting chapter 6 of class 10th mathematics. This is first video of chapter triangles. So here I begin. Congruent figures. In class 9th you have understood the meaning of congruent. See here, two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and the same size. So we are talking about shape and size. Both the things are same. See here is a car and here is another car. Both the Ferrari cars are same in size and shape. So these two figures are called congruent figures. I'm showing you more examples. See, these two circles with the same radius length are congruent figures. See here, two equilateral triangles with the same side length are congruent figures. Two squares with the same side length are congruent figure. So in class 9th, you better understood what is the meaning of congruent figures. Now, let's talk about similarity. Similar figures. Two figures are said to be similar if they have the same shape. So shape must be same, but not necessarily the same size. Size can also be same, means all congruent figures are similar, but all similar are not congruent. So shape must be same, but size can be different. See here, this is a car Ferrari and this is again a toy car Ferrari. So the car and its toy model both are same, but the size is different. So these two shapes are similar figures. Circle with different and same radius. So different or same, radius can be same or radius can be different also. All the circles are similar. Two equilateral triangle with different or same size. It can be different or it can be same in length. So these two figures are similar figures. Two squares with different or same side length are similar figures. So I have given you many examples of similar and congruent figures. So there are some important points. Remember these. All circles with the same radii are congruent. All square with the same side length are also congruent. All equilateral triangles with the same side length are called congruent triangles. But all circles are similar. Here I am not talking about radius, I am not talking about size, but the shape of all the circles are similar. All squares are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. So we are not talking about side length, we are not talking about radius, then these shapes are similar shape. Let's talk about non-similar figures. Two figures are said to be non-similar if they do not have the same shape. Same shape means if shape is different, we will not talk about size. Shape is totally different. See the example. This is a Ferrari car and this is a Jeep Compass. So shape of a car and a Jeep is totally different. So we will not compare its size. Shape is different means these two figures are non-similar figures. Let's talk about more examples. A square and a triangle are two non-similar figures. A square and a circle are two non-similar figures. A triangle and a circle are also two non-similar figures. In this way, non-similar figures are totally different in their shape. Now, correspondence rule. While checking congruency or similarity, it is very important to understand the rule of correspondence. What is the meaning of correspondence? See very carefully. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal, I am talking about, and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. I'm not telling sides are equal, but they are in the proportion. This type of figures are called similar figures, and while comparing two similar figures, we have to take care of the correspondence, corresponding angle, corresponding side. See here, I'm giving you example. This is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Angle X, angle Y degree, Z degree, and W degree. These are the angles of the four angles of the trapezium. This is one more trapezium where name of the coordinates are P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S is again a trapezium, and angles are X degree, Y degree, Z degree, and W degree. So take care, angles of these two figures are same, and their corresponding sides are also in proportion. That's why these two figures are similar figures. And A is corresponding with P, B correspond with Q, C is corresponding to R, and D is corresponding to S. Now, what will happen if I rotate one of these two figures? See here, I am rotating it for you. It is rotated. Now, can you say these two shapes are similar or not? These two shapes are still similar. These are again similar figures. The only difference is correspondence will also be changed. See how we will take care of the correspondence if the shape is rotated. P, Q, R, S. Angles are X degree, Y degree, Z degree, and W degree. Now, A is corresponding to not S, it is corresponding to P. B is corresponding to Q. C is corresponding to R, and D is in correspondence with S. So we will take care of correspondence while comparing two similar figures. These two figures are still same, still similar, but while comparing we will take care of the correspondence. Similar triangles. Now, like similar trapezium, similar triangles are also, see, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. I'm talking about angles are equal. See, these angles I'm talking about equal, and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means I'm talking about sides are in proportion. So side should be proportional and angle should be equal. If these two properties are true, then only we can say these two triangles are similar triangles. I'll give you a number of examples in my next video. So continue watching these videos. For daily practice and doubt class, you can attend my online class. Now, on the basis of this video, that is part 1 of chapter number 6, you can start doing exercise 6.1. And in my next video, you will see more concept of chapter number 6. And for practice, you can attend the online class. Thank you.